Hey everybody, welcome back to Dad Does Videos. As you can see here, I have a new Solo Stove Bonfire. Basically, this is a bonfire that's supposed to be virtually smokeless, has a nice burn to it, leaves hardly any ash. I've been checking them out now for a couple years and they finally went on sale for about 270 bucks. I know that's a little bit pricey, but I thought I'd give it a shot. Everybody seems to like it. So I thought I'd show you what happens when we unbox it, what it looks like, and then when we fire it up too, to show you exactly what it looks like when it's burning. So packaged really well. Here's the ring. Eventually we're just going to put this on top like this. Basically what this ring does when the fire gets going is that it makes sure the fire burns evenly and centered on the inside. Go like this. This might be a little easier. Looks like there are some supplies on the inside, so let's take a peek at these. Looks like some directions. So it doesn't look to be that hard, right? As I said, we're gonna put the flame, or excuse me, the ring on top, and basically start putting in the wood right after the lighting it on fire. We'll follow all those directions, right? This is a little carrying case. If you want to go camping and take this with you, it's kind of a nice little bag. Fits right in, as you can see. It's wide enough. That's certainly the case. Fits right in. Just pick it up and go. Kind of a nice little feature. There you go, just put the ring on top and you're ready to go. So the good thing about this, what's supposed to be cool about this, is that, like I said before, the burn stays in the center and you've got kind of a double wall in here. So you have oxygen that goes in through the bottom set of rings, and then on the inside here there are rings as well. So you get a burn on the inside through the bottom set of rings, and then kind of a secondary burn on top when the oxygen comes out of here through the wall.